Ynw Melly mistrial. They're going to try him again, I suppose, maybe, because what you would like to see after a mistrial is like a plea bargain type situation where the government just comes back with a reasonable offer. Now, if they wanted the guy on death penalty, there's going to be no plea bargains to be had. And I don't think the state is going to let this go because it's 2 kids who were killed. So this is going to be a whole new trial all over again. I can't see it going any other way. I wish we could have some resolution, but yeah, they're going to try him again, if you ask me.
What's good with the YouTube? It's Coffee. Back with the news, man. Ynw Melly mistrial. Y'all heard the lawyer for workers dude saying it ain't over yet. You know what I mean? The prosecutors, the people, the state of Florida. He actually said the government, right? But it's a state case. I don't know, but he's a lawyer. I ain't. But he says it don't mean ish. They're not going to let this go, you know, because it's not a not guilty verdict. It's just that they couldn't come back to a unanimous decision. But I'm shocked that it was so quick, right? That, what was it, only like 2 days of deliberations, 3 top. And they said, okay, mistrial, they can't come to a unanimous decision. I swear I've seen the judge send the jury back to deliberate further numerous times. Tap in and comment. Y'all feel me on that? I swear I felt like that was extremely quick, that just right away they say mistrial, but dude's been sitting forever. It's a wild case, man. You know, like I don't know, you know, it's just, I was just telling the wifey about it. We was talking about it, you know, she's into the whole true crime thing, and I was just like, yo, dude's been sitting forever. She wasn't familiar with this case though, and breaking it down to her a bit, it's a crazy situation, man. But you know, like lawyer for workers says, they were originally going for death penalty in this case. You know, it's youths that were killed. Ain't no way that they're about to just say, okay, we're not gonna re-prosecute them and retry them or whatever. So it's wild, man. He's gonna remain behind bars is what you know is being indicated or whatever. So comment, let me know what you guys think about this, man. Also, let me know, like I said, if you thought it is wild quick with the whole deliberations that the judge didn't send it back. Tap in with it. Thoughts out to Gillie. This is some really sad news. And his son YNG Cheese killed in Philly, only 25 years old. Where it was, he was coming up in the rap game. I'm gonna keep it real. I knew Gillie's son was rapping. I never really tapped into his music like that, but I definitely heard people talking about him. It's sad, man. That's, a father should never have to bury a son, man, or a child, period, son, daughter, anything. I just don't know. I've said this before in other situations. If I could ever get over that, ever, like, to want to just get out of bed in the morning and get back active in life, it's just, it's heartbreaking ish, man.
I don't get invited to none of the Rock Nation brunches. I be saying, oh,
don't feel bad, nigga. Me neither.
Okay. As long as me and Snoop at home together, I ain't mad at it.
I know why they don't want me to come.
Well,
because I'm going to be the sharpest.
Okay.
They know when I walk in, my outfit going to turn everything out. You understand me? So they're like, we don't keep that nigga away.
All the next part has got to be fashion shows now.
No, it's all good. I fuck with Jay. That's my guy. You know what I'm saying? I just ain't had time to slide to one of those brunches. Maybe next time we can all go together. We'll do that.
Okay, let's set it up.
Yeah, we'll roll up in there together. Yeah, we're going there together. Get us a nice little linen.
Can I bring my munchie box with me?
Yeah, just come in there with a linen outfit. I think you gotta have on linen.
Linen?
Yeah, they be wearing all that. You never seen what they be doing?
I be seeing they be having on the little, they be suited and booted.
You don't want to be in there stiff with a suit on.
No, I don't want nothing like that. I want
linen on so
I'm clean, loose.
Yeah.
Okay. Some real player, man.
Yeah.
This was shocking to me that Snoop never got the Roc Nation brunch invite. I don't know. I think with everything that Snoop did, and he appeared, like, wasn't Snoop featured on Volume 3? I swear they did a track together, Snoop and Hov, or maybe not. Yeah, I think they did. Maybe I'm tripping, but never invited to the Roc Nation brunch. I don't know. And what are you talking about, wearing linen? And Snoop's like, oh, I would be the freshest there. I feel like this kind of bothers Snoop a little bit, the way he was talking there. I don't know. You know, like, why wouldn't he get the invite? What's the deal with that?
Every single day, and I'm not talking about Lesh. It's people that do this shit every single day. We'll say his name. Fuck it, Milk.
Mm.
You get what I'm saying?
He's not even trying to hide it.
Yeah, he's not trying to, but it's like nothing goes by without it. I had to DM him the other day. I'm like, you don't miss a beat.
Mm.
I'm like, you know what I'm saying? But I know what it is. A motherfucker trying to pay their rent. And that's all it is. It's like no harm, no foul. I told him, I'm like, you know we not beefing, right? You know I've did way too much to motherfuckers to beef with a motherfucker like you. Like I beef with, you know what I'm saying? Don't. I beef with top sirloin. You know what I'm saying? With center cut fillets.
Didn't you offer
to
shoot the fade with that dude?
I would not characterize it that way.
Okay.
I think if anything, I turned down the fade.
Okay.
I told him I'll put the Billy Western to your dome if you come anywhere near me.
Oh goddamn!
Hey, he owes me one because I have had multiple people hit me up in the last month asking me for his address. And I know exactly who to ask. Yeah, everybody does. But I know exactly who to ask if I want to get the address. But I don't want the cops to then go through this person's phone and figure out, ADAM22 gave him the address, and then all of a sudden I'm complicit in a whatever charge. So I did not supply the address.
Yeah, let him live, man. He ain't nobody like that. He's a Gilligan.
Yeah.
He's a Gilligan.
But do you think that we're going to be able to keep a straight face when somebody pops him, or do you think that we're going to be in here tap dancing?
Damn, what the fuck? What the fuck? ADAM22 says tap dancing. What a stupid thing to say, man. I'm not even going to elaborate on that, but you just be saying the dumbest ish. And it's just quite dumb to be saying this with the hip-hop police out there, you know, the feds, watching everything going on in the blogosphere. This we know. We've seen it time and time again, you know, and just like with Boosie yesterday, I just did a video. I'll pin the link below if you ain't seen it. Peep my previous video. I can't believe Boosie saying all this ish about Kodak Black and 6ix9ine and everything with his current pending Fed case. Like, you don't want to be giving them any extra ammunition, as they already have reported that some of the evidence in your Fed case is from a blogosphere interview, from some ish that's up on the net, on the web. You're going to go off and say this, and then they can go in court like, see, he's a hardened criminal. He's talking about snitches should die or whatever, you know, I don't know. But ADAM22 really not hiding it one bit. He wants to see Milk get bodied out here. Brick Baby says, it ain't beef like that, you know. He ain't, more or less it sound like he said, he ain't hating. Get your money. I don't know. What do you think about it, man? It's wild out here. But that's it for the news on this one. Just a quick one, y'all. Hit the comments. Let's talk about all these topics. As always, I want to hear from y'all, the people. Sub up. Stay tuned for more. And I'm gone.